Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 8, OV 34. Nirvaha purte anna achadana, तैसेच तात्पुरते लालन पालन, लावा आध्यात्मिक उन्नती लागुन, जन्म मरण चुकवावया. Food and clothing should be only for its maintenance. You should care for it, knowing it to be temporary, for the sake of the development of the soul and to escape the cycle of life and death. Janma maranadi anarthatmaka, प्रतीक्षण विनाशोन्मुख, कैसे क्षणिक याचे सुख, निरंतर असुख जो. Birth and death are nothing but calamities. Every moment is set towards destruction. What momentary pleasure is this, which brings in its wake unhappiness throughout life? जैसी विद्युल्लता पाही, आता आहे आता नाही, क्षणिक सागर तरंगता ही, विचार काही करावा. Just as one sees the zigzagging lightning, which is there for a moment and then disappears, the waves of the ocean, which are also momentary, similar is the body. Therefore, think. देह गेहापत्य स्त्री जन, हे सर्व नाशिवंत जाणून, माता पित्यासी खांदा वाहून, स्वयं जो आपण उमजेना. The body, the house, the children and wife, all these will perish. But one never realizes it even when one bids farewell to one's own parents while carrying their bays on the shoulder. मेल्या मागे खुशाल मरे, फिरे जन्म मरणाचे फेरे, परी ते कोण्या गुणे आवरे, विचार न करी क्षणभरी. They are dead, and the one in good health will die after them. One gets caught in the cycle of birth and death, but one does not think even for a moment by what means it can be controlled. करिता नित्य कुटुंबाची भर, आयुष्य जातसे भराभर, काळ आयुष्य गणना तत्पर, कर्तव्य विसर त्या नाही. Life passes quickly in looking after the progress of the family, but time never forgets its duty and readily keeps count of the tenure of life. भरता अखेरची घडी, मग तो थांबेना एक चिपडी, धीवर जैसा जाळे ओढी, मरणी तडफडी जीव तैसा. When the last moment has come, then it does not wait even for a split second. Just as the fisherman casts his net and the fish gets caught, so life ends as it tosses about, writhing at the touch of death. महद्भाग्याची या परवडी, वेचुनिया पुण्यकोडी, लाधली नरदेहाची जोडी, घडीने घडी साधावी. By means of a store of good deeds from the past births and by accumulating good fortune, a person gets human birth. Therefore, every moment should be used well. करू जाता भगीरथ युक्ती, या नरदेहाची नाही प्राप्ती, केवळ अदृष्टे ये अवचट हाती, व्यर्थची मातीत मिळवाना. Even by making Herculean efforts like Bhagirath, trying to hold the Ganges in his hair, it is not possible to obtain human birth. Because of destiny, unexpectedly, we are able to get it. It should not be wasted carelessly. पुढील जन्मी करू म्हणता, एकदा हा हातीचा जाता, पुढे हाची येईल ही निश्चितता, ऐसे मानिता तो मूर्ख. He is a fool who thinks that he will do good deeds in the next birth. There is no certainty that it will be so once this life escapes. किति एक पापी देहवंत होनि शुक्र बीज समन्वित योनि द्वारासी होति प्राप्त शरीर ग्रहणार्थ निज कर्मे. There are many sinners who have this body. Their genes reach the organ of creation to take a new form according to their deeds.